Hey guys, good day to all. Hope you guys are doing good. We are in plan of developing Android development tutorial videos in Kotlin, from basic to depth. What to say? Let's see. If you guys are like it, we will continue this. Your likes and support is most important to us. That only motivate to us. Okay, let's see how to set up Android environment in our system. Just go to developer.android.com. You can see a lot of posts there. Jetpack, Audacity free course. Here you can download your Android Studio developer guides. Uh, Developer guides is just you can learn how to code, how to start sample codes, how to test your app, quality guidelines from material guidelines from Google, material design theme, how to design your application, Wear OS, TV, cars. These are the systems you can develop Android application, Google services for Android. Here you can get your latest news, featured news, and latest videos, featured videos. This is Android developer website, official website. Okay, let's start download our Android Studio. This is the page, Android Studio download page. This home website home. Here also you can directly come here. Android Studio, download Android Studio. Download options, different versions of Android Studio, offline, everything is here. Okay, go to the top of the page. This is simple overview of Android Studio. Visual editor. This is the layout visual editor. And this is very good now for usage. You can resize your image, your layouts. You can adjust. APK Analyzer is very good analyzer. It will tell you APK size, build size, resource size, feature, fast emulator, intelligent code editor. This is simple overview of our Android Studio. Build system. Our build system is Gradle, which is very intelligent. Here also latest videos, latest news. Different types of Android Studio downloads. Okay, let's see. There is exe, tar, everything available. Offline support for Gradle. Event dependencies available. Okay, system requirements. System requirements for Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome OS. Everything, Mac, Windows, Linux, everything I need 4 GB RAM minimum, 8 GB RAM recommended, 2 GB disk space available, 4 GB recommended, and OS Microsoft 7, 8, 10, Mac 10.10, OS X and higher. Same 4 GB recommended. For Chrome only, 8 GB RAM are more recommended. 4 GB of available disk space. Chrome needs more higher resolution. Okay. Okay, let's go to the top of the page. What's new? What's new in our Android Studio? This is latest Android Studio. They say what's new in this. Apply changes, custom feature, rich emulator available, intelligent code editor. Apply changes means you can change, if you change anything in your code, you can directly apply instead of restart your Android application. Code with confidence, code templates and sample apps available in our Android Studio. You can download sample project. You can start sample project, lintel and testing tools and frameworks also available. Configure builds without limits. Flexible build system designed for teams. Version controls available. Flexible build system. Our build system is spread. You can include your local hosted libraries, Maven dependencies, everything. So it's our flexible build system. Optimized for all devices. Phones, tablets, ears, TV, iPad. Create rich and connected apps. C++ and NDK support also available. Firebase support available. Google Cloud integration. Okay. Layer editor, APK analysis, NDK, Firebase support, built-in tools, Google Cloud platform. Okay, everything available in Android Studio. Android Studio is much higher IDE for Android development. Android Studio is the official IDE for Android development. Android Studio has Vector Asset Studio, Image Asset Studio, everything. User guide. With Android Studio, same plus people graduate build system for some feature rich emulator, like changes, code templates, extensive testing tools and frameworks. C++ and NTK support available, linked tools, cache performance, usability, version compatibility. Okay, structure. That's the project structure. This is the basic project structure. Application manifest Java resource Gradle scripts. You can change your project view. If you choose problems, it will show problem view. In which file problems are available. This is toolbar and that studio overview. Toolbars, editor, project view, Gradle, navigation bar, toolbar window, editor, and the status bar. Okay, let's see, tool windows. You can go to the restore Windows currently with here is keyboard shortcut. There is shortcut available. You can use Alt 1, Alt 9, plus F10, Control R, Shift F9. Okay. If you want to hide all toolbars, tool windows and editor tabs, you can enter distraction free mode. Code completion. Control space, Control Shift space, Control Shift enter. Find sample code. You can find sample code. Use file new import sample. This window will come. You can get sample for all features available in Android. Okay. Navigation buttons. Button our files. This is called navigation. Control F to control N. And this is simple Android Studio overview. So if you want, you can check here. Style and formatting. Control Alt L. Files coding get aligned, get formatted. Let's Control Alt L. Version control basics. I can VCS enable version control integration so that you can JIT everything. Brand builder system is our builder system, which is very intelligent. Builder variants. You can develop more than one build variants. Multiple APK support for each size of screens, HDPI, MDPI, like that. Resource shrinking. For example, if some of your resources not used in your code, resource shrinking will eliminate that and package your APK, so size will get reduced. Manage dependencies. Build that ladder. That's we can manage our dependencies. Inline debugging in Android. We can Is in 90 megabytes. Okay. Performance preference is hit done memory profile data file access code instructions. Okay. Lint lint is lint will suggest inspect our code. Okay. Okay, let's go to the top again. Okay, download. You can download and install the React use it. Let's see. The following video shows each step of the setup process procedure and using the recommended.exe download. See this video. Okay. Sign up for Mac. It is buffering. Slow network. So let's do it. Install the successful. Sign up for next. Okay. Chrome OS. Migrate to Android Studio is nothing but if you develop the Android applications existing in Eclipse, you can migrate it to Android Studio. That's all. You can see the step-by-step process here, which you will not need, I think. You can check here. Configure the IDE. Basic configurations is done in our Android Studio itself, such as JDK, available RAM, and default settings optimized to default Android virtual device. Everything is our Android Studio will take care of it. More than that, if you need anything, actually you don't need anything here. If you need, you can check here. VM options, properties, managing virtual devices, find your configuration files. Most of the developers will not do anything from here. So now, actually Android Studio will take recommended size. That's enough to develop our application. If you are developing larger application like gaming, you can change this. You can get more space. Okay, let's see. These configurations are not needed. If you want, you can check here. This is on Java version. You can change here. Okay. Keyboard shortcuts. There is a lot of keyboard shortcuts available. Accessibility features. Okay. See keyboard shortcuts. There is a lot of keyboard shortcuts available. You can check. You can get your quick keyboard shortcuts. Accessibility features. Those also we don't need. If you want, you can check here. Basic Android development is higher. Update ID. This is simple. How to check for updates. We can check. You can develop and download Dell channel, stable channel, canary channel like that. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Yes. Please subscribe our channel. Please like this video if you comment your feedback. Your support only motivate us. Then only we can develop more videos. Maybe videos are free. Your support only motivate us. Okay. Thank you. Thank you guys.